What if the reason your home never feels fully clean isn't effort, but the vacuum you're using? Today we break down the top 5 best Dyson vacuum cleaners that actually change how deep, fast, and effortlessly you clean your space. Stick around till the end because the final pick might completely shift what you think power cleaning means. And don't forget to check the links in the description for easy buying options. Now let's move at number 5. We have the Dyson 240 Ampere E-Watt. Here's something most people miss about cleaning: power means nothing without precision. That's exactly where the Dyson 240 Ampere E-Watt enters the top 5 best Dyson vacuum cleaner lineup, focusing on controlled deep cleaning rather than just surface pickup. The 125,000 RPM motor delivers strong suction that pulls debris from deep inside carpets and hard floors, not just what you can see. The fluffy optic head reveals hidden dust, while the digital motor bar adapts across surfaces and detangles hair as you clean. Compared to entry-level Dyson models, it feels more intelligent and responsive, though boost mode does reduce runtime quickly. Ideal for pet owners and detail-focused users who want visible cleaning results. Coming up next at number 4 is the Dyson 290 Ampere E-Watt. Some vacuums feel powerful until they meet real-life mess: pet hair, embedded dirt, and heavy debris. That's where the Dyson 290 Ampere E-Watt takes a clear step forward in the top 5 best Dyson vacuum cleaner ranking. With upgraded radial root cyclone technology, it delivers extreme suction that lifts what ordinary machines leave behind. The motor bar cleaner head actively removes tangled hair during cleaning, keeping performance consistent without interruptions. Compared to the 240 Ampere E-Watt, it delivers noticeably stronger pickup, though it feels slightly heavier in long sessions. Built for larger homes with pets, it moves smoothly using ball technology, making corners easier to handle. This is built for deeper, more demanding cleaning environments. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the Dyson Spot+Scrub. Not all mess is about dust. Some of it sticks, stains, and refuses to leave. That's where the Dyson Spot+Scrub stands out in the top 5 best Dyson vacuum cleaner lineup by shifting focus from suction to intelligent stain removal. AI-enhanced detection with high-contrast lighting identifies spills and re-cleans them up to 15 times for accuracy. The self-cleaning wet roller constantly refreshes water, so only clean water touches your floors. Compared to dry-only models like the 290 AW, it prioritizes precision wet cleaning over raw suction power. Ideal for homes with kids, pets, or heavy floor traffic where stains are constant and repetitive. Quick note, check the links in the description if you want to compare current deals before choosing. Breaking into the top 2, the Dyson Upright Vacuum takes the number 2 position. A major challenge in deep cleaning isn't power, it's consistency across different surfaces. That's exactly where this Dyson Upright Vacuum earns its place in the top 5 best Dyson vacuum cleaner list. Built with radial root cyclone technology, it maintains strong airflow from start to finish without fading performance. The self-adjusting cleaner head seals suction across carpets and hard floors, while the motorized brush bar digs deep into fibers for a thorough clean. Compared to cordless models, it trades flexibility for continuous, stable power. Ball technology helps maneuver around furniture, though its upright design is less compact for storage. Best suited for large homes needing structured, heavy-duty cleaning. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list, we have the Dyson 185 Ampere E-Watt. A surprising reality of cordless cleaning is that raw power means little if it doesn't last through real daily mess. That's where the Dyson 185 Ampere E-Watt stands strong in the top 5 best Dyson vacuum cleaner lineup, balancing suction strength with efficient runtime. Delivering up to 185 Ampere E-Watt of power, it removes dust, crumbs, and pet hair with steady performance across multiple surfaces. Auto mode adjusts suction intelligently based on debris levels, while the motor bar cleaner head detangles hair as you clean. Compared to the 240 Ampere E-Watt and 290 Ampere E-Watt models, it offers slightly less raw force but better balance for everyday use. Lightweight handling makes it ideal for apartments and medium homes. Winner is Dyson 290 Ampere Watt. The Dyson 290 Ampere Watt takes the win because it delivers the strongest overall balance of power and real-world performance. With 290 Ampere Watt suction, it handles heavy pet hair, deep debris, and large messes better than all others in the lineup. Compared to the 240 Ampere Watt and 185 Ampere Watt, it provides deeper cleaning consistency while still being more practical than the Spot+Scrub for everyday use. If you want maximum Dyson performance without compromise, this is the clear choice. So that wraps up the top 5 best Dyson vacuum cleaners. All product links are in the description. Check them out. If this helps, like the video and subscribe for more clean buying guides.